Breakfast time! Breakfast time! Yeah. What's today, dude? Is today July 4th?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are we going to do today?
Fire and play in my pool.
We're going to play in the pool and watch fireworks?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sweet.
Go in the pool. No! Go!
Oh, good, you're hiding. We can't see you now. Whew. Oh, there you are. Little-Zilla. Good morning. Good morning. You gonna get in the pool with Daddy and J-Zilla? Hmm? You wanna go swimming? So I've been designated as the lunch provider today now that we just got out of the pool. And I'm making Mr. J-Zilla a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. If I can find, there it is. Find these little bread twisties, man. Those things are such a pain. Why do we even use them? Most of the time I just flip the bag, do this, set it in the cupboard like that. But the hot wife likes me to do this instead because it keeps the bread fresher. So there we go, and that's there now. What's up? What's today? Happy 4th of July, yeah? So, yeah, we're about to go to the lake and shoot some fireworks over the lake. Actually, we're not going to shoot them, but we're going to watch a whole bunch of fireworks get shot off over the lake.
Don't you dance. Boy, you better stop dancing. Don't you do it again. Don't you dance. Boy.
Don't you dance, J-Zilla.
Don't you dance. Boy, I said don't dance.
Here's Little-Zilla.
Don't you dance again.
He was slinging his hand around.
Where's Little-Zilla? Where's Little-Zilla? Peekaboo! Where's Little-Zilla? Boo! Where's Little-Zilla? Where are you? Peekaboo! I see you.
Don't you start dancing. Don't you dance.
Don't you dance.
Where are we at, dude?
Okay.
At the lake. Whose lake is it? Is it yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's your lake? Sweet. Here's our dock here. It's a great day to be at the lake. So we're just gonna watch you? We're just gonna sit here and stare at you while you sit on a bench? Look at that hair. Check out the Little-Zilla dude. He's all sweaty. Yeah, no, you don't want to show your hair? Alright, here, you can walk. There. See the hair? Oh, there he is. Little-Zilla, that's enough. Yes, I'm talking to you.